They lost their jobs, they fell behind on their mortgages, and now they're demanding that their dues be cleared. Today, former employees of the now defunct Kingfisher Airlines held protests in Mumbai, demanding that the Prime Minister step in and ensure that they get their salaries, which have been due since 2012. Many of them weren't paid salaries for months and years altogether. In fact, there are still people who are on the payroll but haven't been receiving their salaries. I caught up with those people and here's what they had to say. Pay us our dues. Unpaid salaries which run into a whopping 800 crore rupees. Former employees of the defunct Kingfisher Airlines protesting in Mumbai against ex-chairman Vijay Mallya, urging Prime Minister Narendra Modi to intervene.
Our dearest PM should intervene in between and do something about the staff salaries. Not only about the bank, but he should think about the staff salaries who are facing so much problems. Mallya had promised us, whoever remains till the end with me, I will give your salaries, I will give you all your dues and all the thing. But nothing has yet still happened to us. No, the promises are false promises.
Leena Kadam, now without a job, with Kingfisher from the day it launched in 2005, she hoped to at least get her arrears. Last month, totally fed up, she finally resigned. Anirudh Ballal, a senior manager, couldn't even repay his daughter's education loan, forcing him to use his aged parents' savings.
I was unable to pay the loan, the education loan which I have taken for my daughter, as a result of which I had to break my parents' lifetime, whatever earnings they had. I had to break those FDs, and I finally paid the loan by requesting the bank to waive off the loan, to waive off the interest.
The employees claim over 7,000 staffers have years of unpaid arrears. And like banks, they too have a stake in the $75 million Mallya recently got as severance package.
We supported him emotionally, we supported him in all the bad times of him, but now it's like 3 years and there is no reward from him.
Who will pay us the salaries we never got? Who will help us clear our outstanding mortgages? Even as investigations continue against Vijay Mallya and his group, thousands of former Kingfisher employees are angry, yet hopeful that their losses will finally be compensated. In Mumbai, Ankita Sinha for NDTV.